Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever designed something awesome in Figma and wished you could get it up and running as a real WordPress website without wrestling with complicated code, then you're in exactly the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to turn your Figma design into a WordPress site quickly and easily. By the end, you'll know the streamlined way to bring your creative ideas to life on WordPress, ready to share with the world. So let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up your Figma project. This is where all your hard design work lives, whether it's a complete homepage, a landing page, or maybe just a stylish blog layout. With your project open, you'll want to look towards the top of your Figma window and select the Actions menu. You might have seen this button before and wondered what extra possibilities are hidden behind it. Well, this is one of the coolest ones, especially if you want to take your design further than just the visual phase. Next, in the Actions menu, you're going to type Figma to WordPress. Think of this like searching for a handy tool in a big toolbox. Figma's library is full of little helpers that can automate or speed up tasks for you, and this one is tailor-made for exporting your design right into WordPress. As you start typing, Figma will filter options in real time, so don't worry if you only see the right action after a few keystrokes. Once you find and select the Figma to WordPress action, go ahead and run it. This triggers the process, kind of like pressing the Convert button in any other app. At this point, Figma will ask you for your email address. This step is important because the exported WordPress files or instructions are typically sent to your email, or Figma might need it to associate the export with your account for security and tracking purposes. So take a moment to enter the email you want everything sent to. Just make sure it's correct so you don't miss anything important. Now, the next thing Figma will need is the URL for your specific design file. Think of this like giving directions to a friend so they know exactly which file you're talking about. To get this, return to your Figma project and click on the Share button, usually found in the upper right corner. When you click this, Figma will give you the option to copy the URL. Just a quick click and the link is on your clipboard. If you've shared a Google Doc or a YouTube video before, it works the exact same way. Head back over to the Figma to WordPress action window and paste your copied URL where prompted. Sometimes it can feel a little nerve-wracking at this stage. Is it really that easy? But yes, just make sure your URL is correct and paste it right in. And honestly, that's it. Once you've pasted your Figma design link and submitted, the conversion process will kick off. The tool will process your design and send you everything you need to set up your new WordPress site based on your Figma layout. Depending on the complexity of your design and your internet connection, this might take a few moments, so don't worry if it isn't instant. Just keep an eye on your email for the next steps. And there you have it, a super straightforward way to go from a static Figma mockup to a working WordPress website with just a few clicks and some copy-pasting. If this saved you tons of time, or if you ran into any tricky spots, let me know down in the comments. If you liked this walkthrough, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials to make your creative process even smoother. See you in the next video.